welcome back to my channel. And as most of you guys know, Brian and I just got back from a 7-day Caribbean cruise on Carnival Miracle. And right before we left, I had ordered a purse or a diaper bag, and it had came right before we left, and I had ordered it specifically so I could use it on this cruise. I had actually had a couple of other small crossbody bags that I was going to use, and I kind of realized that those bags were not going to fit my needs. I like to carry a lot of stuff, and because I'm a vlogger, I carry a camera, I carry a charger with me, I carry batteries, I carry extra SD cards, and I just have to have everything that I need, and it actually has to be in a nice little safe, convenient little spot. And I saw this bag, excuse me, my nose is itching. I saw this bag online, and I'm like, ooh, had to have it. So I ordered this bag, and it was about $100. It's a diaper bag. I'm obsessed with diaper bags. I've ordered a couple, well, I purchased a couple through Poshmark, and those are, I can't even remember the names of those ones that I purchased. But anyway, I've been loving using a diaper bag lately, and I know that sounds so odd because I don't even have any babies. I don't need to use a diaper bag, but I just find that diaper bags have a lot of room in there for a lot of different things, and especially if you want to carry a lot of things around, and especially if you're going to be, say you're going to the parks, the Disney parks. You guys know how much I love going to Disney. So if you're going to be going to a Disney park, you want to have you want to have a big enough and a small enough purse that you can carry a lot of things in, that's not going to kind of get in your way when you're going, when you're riding things, I guess. But this bag was so perfect for a cruise because, number one, it's a crossbody. Number two, it has little convenient spots in this purse or this diaper bag everywhere, so you could carry things that you need, like a water bottle, camera, your passports. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys exactly what this bag is all about. And I love this bag. This is one of my favorite bags, diaper bags that I've been using. Okay, this is from the Jujube line, and I will try to put a link to it in the description box below if they still have it. If not, you guys can go to jujube.com. Anyway, this is what the bag looks like, and it's a good size bag. I mean, it's a really, really good size bag. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, the front of it has just this little gold-plated Jujube sign on it, and then the front of it, it opens up. Let's see if I can find the zippers. It opens up to a really nice, convenient, oh, I still have that in, really nice, convenient spots where you can put a bunch of things. Like right here, you could put a bottled water or sunglasses, and then over here you can put, you know, whatever you need to put in here. I have my little hand sanitizer in here. This is where I kind of kept my hand sanitizer. Let's see. Oh, it's tied in there. And then these are little glass wipes for sunglasses or glasses or my camera. I just kept those in there as well. This is where I kind of kept some extra loose change, and I actually kept some chapstick inside of here as well. But this is where my little unicorn guy went. He was so cute. And then I just put my umbrella stuck right down here, and so perfectly right down here in the bottom, and you just fold it up, and you couldn't even tell that I actually had an umbrella stuck in there. But that umbrella did come in handy, and this is what I carried around with me everywhere on the cruise ship and at port. All right, so that was on the front of it. It actually has two nice good size handles that you could actually carry and put across your shoulder, which was nice, and it has a very nice long strap where you could actually put it and use it as a crossbody bag. All right, the inside of it is really nice as well. It actually has a zippered little pouch right here, another place where I actually kept some loose change. I kept chapstick and stuff in here, and lip gloss, kept that in there. There's a mesh pocket right here on the side, and then there's two mesh pockets right here on the inside, and then just a lot of room and space inside of this bag, just like that. Lots of space, and I absolutely loved it. The mesh pockets came in handy for water bottles. I kept our little passport portfolio thing inside of there as well. I kept my another little zipper pouch. I kept chapsticks and wipes and all kinds of stuff in there. I kept my camera, my chargers, my phone, all the little stuff that you possibly could think you possibly could need while you're out and about. I kept it all in there. And then In the back of it, it actually has this really small, which I absolutely love. And I notice a lot of diaper bags have that lately, which I'm loving because it is so easy just to slip your phone or your keys inside this little tiny pocket right here. And that's exactly what I do. So I just throw my keys in there or my phone, and it's so perfect because it's a perfect size for that. And then in the next pocket, this one, it actually has that changing pad that it came with. And I obviously just took out the changing pad because I don't need it. But anyway, it has another little pouch down here that you could keep like documents in, and it zips up so it's safe. You could keep like a little magazine in there, maybe a small iPad in there if you need to, but it zips up, like I said, so it's safe. But the problem is, don't put anything in there too small because it does have little like breathing holes down here at the bottom. So little things might fall out, like if you put change on there, it might fall out, or a pen, it might sneak out of there. But other than that, it's absolutely one of my favorite little bags that I have purchased, one of my favorite diaper bags that I have. And I love the fact that it's just black and white stripes, and black and white stripes are always so much fun. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I actually carried around with me while we were on our cruise. And this is something that I've actually been using since we got back as well, even though I haven't gone to many places since we got back. But this is definitely going to be a purse that I will use in my rotation when I'm trying to, when I'm, you know, using purses or whatever. I love it. It's so freaking cute. And oh my god, and diaper bags are like the best thing to use. I know that sounds so weird, but they just have so much room and so much space in there, and so many little different compartments that you just never think that you're going to need, but yet you do. And I fill everything up. And I always like to carry water with me too as well, so I always know that having a little mesh pocket in there is so perfect for waters when you're carrying waters around. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time in Wonderland. Bye.